Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zapier to create AI summaries from PDF uploads, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to zapier.com. Log in to your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the sign-up process. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button located at the top right corner. In the Trigger app search bar, type and select PDF Parser. Connect your PDF Parser account by clicking on Sign in to PDF Parser. Enter your API key to authorize the connection. Once connected, you will need to set up a trigger for your PDF uploads. Choose the appropriate trigger event, such as New Document. Follow the prompts to select your desired PDF upload method. After the trigger is set, click Continue to test the connection. Now, in the Action app search bar, type and select OpenAI. Connect your OpenAI account by clicking on Sign in to OpenAI. Enter your API key for OpenAI to authorize this connection. Select the appropriate action event, such as Create Completion. In the Configuration section, specify the prompt for generate. You can use dynamic fields from your PDF parser step to tailor your request. After finalizing your settings, click on Continue to test your action. Review the test results to ensure the summary generation works correctly. Once confirmed, name your Zap for easy identification. Finally, click on the Turn on Zap button to activate the automation. Your Zap is now set up to create AI summaries from PDF uploads with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.